Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Timmy who was obsessed with cars. He had a toy car collection that would put even the biggest car enthusiasts to shame. He spent all his free time playing with his cars, racing them around the house, and making engine noises with his mouth. One day, Timmy's parents took him to a car dealership to look at new cars. As they walked around the lot, Timmy spotted a bright red Ferrari and ran over to it. He leaned in close to admire the sleek lines and shiny paint job, but suddenly, his nose started to itch. Without thinking, Timmy let out a loud sneeze right into the open window of the Ferrari. His parents gasped in horror as Timmy looked up at them innocently, but just as they were about to scold him, the owner of the Ferrari walked over with a big smile on his face. "Don't worry about it," he said. "I think that might have been the most expensive sneeze in history." Timmy's parents were embarrassed and apologetic, but the Ferrari owner just laughed it off. He could tell that Timmy was a car enthusiast just like himself, and he invited Timmy to sit in the driver's seat of the Ferrari. Timmy's eyes widened with excitement as he climbed into the driver's seat. He pretended to rev the engine and honk the horn, making all sorts of silly faces as his parents looked on in disbelief. After a few minutes, the Ferrari owner thanked Timmy and his family for visiting the dealership and wished them a good day. Timmy's parents were still embarrassed about the sneeze incident, but Timmy couldn't stop talking about the time he got to sit in a real-life Ferrari. From that day on, Timmy's love of cars only grew stronger, and he made sure to always keep a tissue on hand just in case he got the urge to sneeze again near a fancy car. As for the Ferrari owner, he always remembered the funny little kid who sneezed in his car, and he continued to visit the dealership every now and then just to see what other adventures awaited him there.